Back at it again.
Back at it again. Look at this 4K TV.
Oh god. You already know how we do here in the Havoc Garage shop. Got the 4K TVs. We got Luke over here chilling. In today's video, what are we doing, Luke?
Lambo doors, my dude.
Lambo doors?
Lambo doors.
You fucking nicer.
Why the fuck not?
Nicer. Where they at? There they are. I have no idea how this thing works, on how it flips and turns. Oh. Huh. Yeah. Welcome back to another Havoc Garage video. What are we doing right now, Luke?
Taking the doors off.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Hey, you got a small hammer?
Nah, bro. Use your, use that, ratchet right there. How's it going so far?
Pretty good. Got the door off. Taking the fender off, and then we're gonna try to mock it up, basically. See if it bolts up. Apparently this kit needs a lot of, not a lot, but a little bit of cutting and drilling to make it fit, because it's from China. But yeah, we'll make it work.
Yes, sir.
Whose wheel space is it?
Alright, so the door's off. We got Cameron doing his run. Has one tire left. But Luke is, what are you trying to do?
The bracket. So to put the bracket on, we got to cut this little pinch. I don't know what that is. Little pinch, and then we got to cut one of the fender pieces off. Cut this off. So then it'll bolt up. But it looks like these bolts don't line up down here, so we may have to drill a hole in this to make it fit.
You
So
make like your own bolt holes?
yeah, you gotta basically drill our own bolt hole because, like I said earlier, China stuff. But it'll work. So we just gotta cut this, try to mock it up, and then see what we need to do next.
Good too. Get the cut in.
There's cord in there.
Steve, pull up on the beat, make your room shake.
What we got, Lou? What we got?
I've been cutting. We had to drill a hole down here. See how far off that was? Yeah, I don't know. It says it's supposed to bolt right up to the 1990 Miata, but it don't. So now I have to lop this off because this hits the door. I don't know about this. I'll figure it out. But as of right now, this hits the door and it don't even line up. So I gotta cut that off. So don't hit the door no more. We're gonna try to bolt this up, see how it fits, and then put the door on. And then after we get the door on, all it is getting it to close. That's gonna be the hard part.
Pretty legit, pretty legit.
Pretty legit. Too legit to quit. Too legit.
Alright, so Luke made his final cuts, and I just went back and painted it, so that way it don't rust. Now we are gonna do the other side, get it all mocked up and cut.
I found them. These work. They'll be alright.
What are these for?
So apparently, on the top half, you need to shim this. Literally, like, not even this much. Like, you have to put it behind, just to shim it a bit. Because when the Miata doors open on the regular ones, they go like this. You open the regular door, it goes in behind the fender. But these new ones are basically going to come outside the fender and then go up. So you have to shim it a bit so it don't catch your fender and destroy my paint any more than it's already destroyed.
Cool.
Oops, sorry, so.
So this out, we can actually just hang it there. Should be able to slide
I
it on.
can't see anything.
Here, hold that side of it. I'll hold this side. Hey, yo. Pivot your side out like the door's open.
What we got now? What we got?
So I just gotta get this back on.
The door opens and closes now like a normal
Yeah.
car. But now,
So I'm
let me
about
put
to
the
give you a
shot in.
demonstration.
On demonstration. Devastation.
Devastation? I hope not. Wait, is that not the hole it goes in? No.
It drops down.
Well,
It's got wiggle.
well, that's just.
No,
That's gonna
there's.
be-
Aftermarket.
Hold on, somebody
It's-
wiggle.
yeah, for real. It's called.
Let me see what's wiggling.
It's just how it's gonna be.
Look at what it's held on by. It's just one.
Oh,
mount.
it's down here, bro. Hold on.
Maybe when you put that hydraulic in, it might not.
Take it out.
Out or out.
Right there, I think.
Yes,
Right
sir.
there, hold on. Wait. Go down? I mean, go up?
That's probably maxed out.
Now, do you guys want it all the way up? You think it should be all the way up like that? Or back where it was?
Oh, God, not like that.
Go down.
Well, the thing
And
is,
stop. So that's
Then right there.
more
that's
aggressive?
yeah, that's good, I think.
Okay. Go up just a tiny bit. Alright, I think you can let go. Should stay up.
It's so sketchy. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
Yo, why is it? Okay.
Does it have a locking mechanism to where it can force itself to stay out without touching it?
No. What's the...
Or maybe it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, you're right, because look, there's an adjustment here. Take this in. Ah, it needs bigger. There's a big one over there somewhere.
But here it is. The first door
Yes,
is
sir.
basically done. It closes and everything.
Pimp status.
Facts.
Okay, yeah, it launches.
Oh!
It rubbed against the.
Yeah, it's touching.
It
Your fender might.
It didn't come out far enough.
Yeah, we so we need to loosen
You want me to
this
drop
back
it again?
down. Nah, you can leave it right there.
Yeah, but it pulls itself up, so it's pretty nice.
Pretty tough to close though.
Yeah.
Try to watch what happens when you lift it. It launches though. It just wants to go.
Jesus.
Shit!
So whenever you open your door, just hold it.
So where's the Lambo at?
Right at Lambo?
Looks
Miambo.
looks
Whack Havoc!
looks
Mambo.
looks pretty good. Can't lie.
Hell yeah.
I like the no door panel. Looks better like that.
Weight reduction.
Dude, can you hurry up and finish?
Wow, I wish I could. You should ask me.
No.
What is up, guys? Back at Havoc Garage.
Not a new video. We're up
This
here.
is Griff's perspective. You know, TV and Griff only do with the truck here. Luke looking hella thick right now, but putting his door panel. You know.
Can you update them on the car?
Oh yeah. Oh, so we got the driver's side door in. Now he's just putting the door panels on. We had to do a little bit of jerry rigging right in here, so his fender sticking out way too damn much. But after me and Luke's jerry rigging, we got the bitch to sit somewhat flush, so it looks pretty damn good. Just don't touch it, cause one push in, it'll be not flush anymore. And we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that.
Yeah, don't push on it.
Yeah, don't push on. Any words to say, Luke?
This was annoying. I don't want to do it a second time. Would not recommend to anyone else. It'll fuck your paint right there. It fucks it. Nothing you can do about it. Just kind of suck it up.
Dude, it looks.
You gotta. It's hard to open your doors when you're sitting down in the car. You gotta like baby
That
it.
shit looks insane.
The struts that come with the fucking doors, they're like 7 billion pounds of force. If you lift this bitch up, it just whoom, shoots up. So, those are some things to watch out for. I give this kit like a 2 out of 5 stars.
For real, bro?
Yeah, but once like it's done,
Not too bad.
it's not too bad.
So the aesthetics is a 5.
The aesthetics is okay, but you kind of gotta like, if it's this way and people come and look at it, they're like, oh shit. But like, if they watch you open your doors, they're gonna be like, damn, that's whack. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure.
So in conclusion,
In conclusion, I give it a 2 out of 5 stars.
For the price though?
For the price, I'll give it a 2.5.
Oh, okay. So
It's a tad bit
Oh,
better.
Overall,
But for the price that I pay,
So a solid 2.
so overall a 2.5.
overall 2.5 out of 5.
Alright.
Your door speakers.
2.5.
I ain't putting it in.
Well, you heard it first. This is again Grissom Sector from Havoc Garage. Hopefully the next shot will be of the. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this freaking rock eater over here.
yo,
Let's check this thing out. Since Jerry literally sat here for like 20 minutes.
Guys on it now.
Oh, bro, you can't even see it. Oh, yeah, you can. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, I guess. No, I'm just kidding. It's pretty cool.
I mean,
Thanks for all your help, guys.
You're welcome.
just like anything we do, this car kind of like mediocre.
Mark, what do you drive, bro?
Fucking fast car, bro. Race me,
it
bro.
makes two noises now.
It does.
If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. Yep.
Hey, Chick-fil-A.
So yeah,
Nah, bro, I'm some Whataburger.
this is the car
Goddamn
with the Lambo doors.
All these motherfuckers have some goddamn fucking water.
Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on another video. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what to do.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
We're about to kick this guy off at Havoc Garage, so he probably won't be in any more videos.
The car we're keeping.
The car we are keeping, and we are going to be scrapping it, parting it out. What should have been done in the first place. Later.
Washington.